There's a lot. Oh my god! It's 1 August. Birthday, happy 3rd anniversary, and welcome back to my vlog. Hi. Post my friends stuff and also my customer stuff. There's a lot. I don't know how to carry all of this, and excuse the mess though. I did like that my cat made that mess. I'm gonna go and post out this. I'm gonna go get some cakes because today is stay day, and I don't really do a lot of things today, and I also wake up very late, so yeah, whatever. So this is my outfit of the day to go to post out the parcels. Excuse the dirty mirrors, but this is the outfit I'm wearing. I'm wearing batik pants that my mom made, and then just a thrifted baju shirt. Also this tote bag, got it from Shopper Fairy on Instagram. Thank you for sending this bag. Go get yours now. Well, you guys, look who decided to do a V-Live right now! Oh my god! Oh! this big box right here. It's not from Weaver Shop, by the way, but I'm so excited. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, takut dah. Oh gosh. Say thank you. Stay safe. And this cute little sticker. So cute. That's man. And I like this one though. The moment of truth. You guys. I like the box though. TXT light stick. Gosh. I finally have TXT official light stick. Moabong. By the way, this is not a new one. I bought like a pre-loved, like a second-hand light stick from someone selling it with a great deal. If I buy a new one, the cost will be like near 200 ringgit. But I got this like below 150 ringgit. Full set with the photo card. All members. Takutnya nak macam ni dia buka kotak ni. Okay. There's a manual book, which I don't need. I guess I don't need it, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Then I have the dust bag. The dust bag. And then the strap. Moment of alwaysness. And then photo card. Dungeon, Subing, Bomgyu, Leon, and Hininkai. Here's the light stick. Oh my god! This is so cute! Now let's put on the battery. I bought a battery. How to put the battery in? That's why you need manual book. Cap hook. Whoa! Oh. Wait. It's not small battery. It's not this battery. Oh no! They use AA battery. Do we have AA battery? Okay. I found the battery. The last Yogi. Minus Yogi. The moment of truth. Ah! Mana satu button on dia? Oh ni, switching on or off. Press and hold button 2. Press and hold. Ah! Ada bunyi! Comelnya. Lepas tu Bluetooth connection, press and hold. Oh, there's a Bluetooth tau. I already installed it. There is application for this light stick. Confirm. Whoa! Okay, there's self mode. Gosh, you guys, I can change the color. So cool. Think this. Oh my god, cantiknya. Look at that. And you can even change the brightness. Then for to make it small, you got to tekan ni tau. Tapi how? Oh, this is so cute. It's so tiny. And that's all for my TXT light stick unboxing. But I just got back from GNT, and look what I got. Oh, by the way, yesterday a parcel came in, and it's my KF94 mask. I will put the link in the description below if you guys want it. Anyways, I bought something from 7E. So I bought these two hot brew. Oops. The new packaging one, and also they have the new flavor. This new packaging one, I got Yunmin because I'm a Yunmin stan. I bought Yoongi and Jimin macadamia mocha latte. It sounds so good. I think this will be my first week August vlog, so I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. This first week vlog is kind of like boring, and stay tuned for my unboxing video for TXT and Stray Kids because I bought it together. I'm just gonna end this week vlog, which is not really a vlog, but I mean it is a vlog. It's just that I don't really do much. I really just unboxing the things that I received for this week. Okay, bye. Mishi love y'all. Thanks for watching. Mishi love y'all. Bye.